here I am again today, working back on the VTX. This time I'm going to change out the front fender. This is the fender that I'm going to put on the Honda VTX. It's a 21-inch fender to fit a 21-inch front wheel that I think I'm going to put on here. This is with the fender and the front wheel removed, the original fender and front wheel. And let's see how it works out. Well, I got the fender mounted, and like with everything else, it doesn't fit. It's too narrow. I say give or take, it's about an inch too small on both sides, so a total of 2 inches. I have to widen this 2 inches, so I'm just gonna cut it straight down the middle. And since it's a fiberglass fender, throw a 2-inch, go 2 inches wider with a fiberglass strip and widen it. But man, you know, just like with everything else, nothing ever goes right. But that's how it is. Alright, I'm back again. This time I'm going to try to widen this fender so it'll fit on the bike. Already started drawing the line on where I'm going to split it. I just got to continue drawing the line, and then I'll take a grinder and I'll split it. Split down the middle. This is my makeshift get up. to widen this fender. What I'm doing is laying one thin layer of fiberglass on top just to hold it together, and then I'll work the bottom to build up the strength. It's almost there, it's coming along. There it is, with the 21-inch tire, still waiting for the wheel, but this is how it looks with the fender done. Still need a little bit light sanding on the fender, but other than that, it's pretty much completed. Just got the wheel sitting in there so you can see how it'll look. Give you an idea of how it'll look once the rim I ordered comes. Alright, and that's it.